Very nice home in a great neighborhood. This home features so many great things. Too many to boast about. The living room features a beautiful bay window to look out of along with so much space. The kitchen is every cook's dream. Right off the kitchen is a family room with a beautiful wood-burning fireplace. Main level laundry room. The master bedroom is huge and has a nice master bath. All bedrooms are so spacious with big closets for storage. Architectural ceilings. The basement is finished. It offers a half bath, along with 3 additional rooms. One of them has an egress window so you can use it for a bedroom. The other 2 rooms can be used for just about anything. There is so much storage in the basement. The yard is so big and well groomed. This home is so close.